Hi! In this video, we will learn about capitalizing proper nouns. Proper nouns name specific people, places, and things. Historical events are proper nouns because they name specific periods in history. There are many historical periods. In this sentence, the word periods is a common noun. It does not name specific historical periods, so it is not capitalized. Dinosaurs roamed far and wide during the Cretaceous period. Cretaceous period names a specific period in time. It is a proper noun, so it must be capitalized. The names of languages are also proper nouns. Which languages do you speak? The word languages here is a common noun. It does not name a specific language, so it is not capitalized. Why are the languages capitalized in the second sentence? I speak Spanish, French, and English. They name specific languages, so they are proper nouns. They need capital letters. Names of sports teams are proper nouns and should be capitalized. In this sentence, the word teams does not name a specific team. It is not capitalized. But here, the nouns sharks and tigers are proper nouns. They name specific teams, so they are capitalized. The names of specific regions are proper nouns. Here, the noun southwest is a common noun. It names a general direction or area, not a specific region, so it is not capitalized. In this sentence, however, Midwest names a specific region of the country, so the word is capitalized. And that's how you capitalize proper nouns. See you next time.